What's going on, everybody? This is Gary from Dixie Overland, and do you hate long, drawn-out installation videos? Yeah, I do as well. So if you give me about 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how to change out your cabin air filter in your Jeep Gladiator or your JL Wrangler. And just in case you haven't picked one up yet, you can get this one at the affiliate link down below in the description. Okay, so your first step is going to be to take off the glove box. There's a small clip right here. And what you have to do is take that and just give it a nice tug upward. Little upward tug, and then it'll unclip, and then you can take your glove box off. It's a little bit harder to do it one-handed. Inside here, you're going to see this clip right here. Give it a squeeze, and it will undo this long rail piece that hides the air filter. So inside here, you're going to see the actual cabin filter itself. Now, I want you to notice something on here. All right, notice the words Mopar, and then there's arrows pointing downward. Okay, so these downward arrows are going to show you the orientation, how the airflow goes. That's going to be important whenever we put the new one in. So what we're going to do is pull our air filter out. Now notice it does go back into this space right here. So when you put the new one in, you're going to have to crimp it just a little bit to get it to go in there. Pull it out. There we go. So as you can see, our cabin filter has definitely seen better days. There's some bugs in here. There's definitely a lot of dust and dirt. Take your new one out of the packaging, and we're going to install in reverse order. So you remember that writing I was talking about, the orientation of it. Okay, so the writing should be face up, and you see the airflow should be pointing face down. And what we're going to do is go ahead and put it back into this slot right here. Alright, there we go. So it is put back in. Take your rail piece. There's going to be a slot all the way over there. Not going to be able to see it, but you will be able to feel it once it clicks in. Then just snap that back into place. And then we're going to put our glove box back on. Make sure you line up the little clips down here, the edges of the glove box. Give it a little push. Go ahead and reattach that arm. And the way you reattach it is by doing the reverse. So instead of pulling up, you're going to push down. And your glove box should close. And that is how you change out your cabin filter. So what are some of the benefits of changing out your cabin air filter? Well, if you're getting a musty and dusty smell on the inside, that's unpleasant, and you probably want to change that. The other thing is it's going to help your air conditioner work a little bit more efficiently. So you want to change it out about every 20,000 miles, unless you live in an area that has a lot of dust or maybe a lot of pollen as well. Now, if you haven't already picked one up by clicking the link down below in the description, please do so. Anything that you do to help out this channel is greatly appreciated. And also, if you could hit the subscribe button on the side, we would love that as well. We are going to be posting a lot more videos coming up in 2023, so if you like this one, hit the thumbs up and let me know if you want to see more installation videos like this that are quick and to the point. This has been Gary from Dixie Overland, and we'll see you in the next video.